Question number 3 says, a school paid a total of $446.25 for 25 students to attend a conference. If each ticket costs the same amount, what is the price per ticket? Ooh, okay. So let me think about this for a minute. It looks like a school, it paid a total, so we know some total information here for all of these tickets. So it sounds like a class of students is going on a field trip. They paid a total, okay? Our job, our question is wanting us to know the cost of the ticket. It looks like each ticket is the same, so I would say that these are equal amounts. And it looks like we want to know the price per ticket. When I hear the word per, I want you to think one. Per means one. If we were talking about per hour, that would be for 1 hour. Okay, so that's kind of a new word that we're introducing into our vocabulary. And I'm going to go ahead and make a window pane. Read my question. If each ticket costs the same amount, what is the price per ticket? That means one ticket is blank. And that's going to be a dollar amount. Okay, so the school is buying all these tickets. And all these tickets cost a total of $446.25. So that total amount is going to go up here on top of my unit bar, because I'm not going to get more than this price. This is the absolute total amount that I purchased. We're dividing this into 25 groups because each group, ticket 1, ticket 2, ticket 3, they're all going to cost the same amount. Our job is to figure out what one ticket costs. And because we have an equal amount, we know that we are cutting that into 25 equal pieces, or we're separating into equal pieces, and that is division. So how would we solve this problem? 446.25 divided by the number 25. And to make a quick and easy estimate, I'm just going to round this to the nearest 10. So that would be 450. And 450 divided by 25. Well, that's not easy math at first, but here's what I do know. I'm going to use some relationships. I know that 100 divided by 25 is like relating it to a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. So there's 4 groups of 25 and 100. All right, so 100 divided by 25 is going to give me 4. So 200 would be 8. So 300 would be 12. 400 would be 16. And then 2 more 50s, that seems like it would be about 18. So I'm thinking that my answer should be about close to 18. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up, and let's make our 25s, and I'm going to go ahead and make this my top and my bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that would be 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, and 225. All right. I know that's a little awkward because it's sideways, but it'll work. And I need to set up my problem. So we've got 446 and 25 hundredths, and we're dividing by 25. We're going to have to write really tiny here. So how many groups of 25 are in the number 4? Oh, by the way, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can solve this on your own. Then return and see if we have answers that match. go ahead and erase this so I have a little bit more room. And I'm going to get started right away. Anytime we have a decimal, the first thing we want to do is pop that decimal up. And we think to ourselves, how many groups of 25 are in 4? There are 0. How many in 44? There's only 1. One group of 25 is 25. And when I subtract, I do have to regroup. So I have 14 and this becomes 3. So 14 minus 5 is 9, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, I'm going to bring down my 6, and I have 196. I want to get as close as I possibly can, and I see 7 is the number that I want. 7 groups of 25 is 175. And this time I get 1 and I get 2. Ooh, 21. But it's okay because 21 is less than the number 25. So I'm going to bring down my next number, and that's going to be 2. So I'm getting as close as I possibly can, and 200 is pretty close. So 8 is going to go over here above the 2, and that will give me 200. Oh, I'm running out of room. So I'm going to slide a little bit of paper right underneath so that I have something to write on. There we go. Alright, so now I have 212 minus 200. That gives me 12 left over. The very next thing I would want to do would be to bring down the 5. And now I want to find out how many groups of 25 are in 125. And that number is 5. 5 groups of 25 is 125 with nothing left over, and our answer is $17.85, which absolutely is close to the number 18. I'm going to put that back here. I'm going to go back over here and see if I have that answer choice, and certainly I do. I'm going to bubble that in. Awesome. Okay, I'll see you back for question number 4.